Good afternoon, everybody. So today we are introducing something new in reading and in English, which are called adjectives. Adjectives are words used to describe a noun. So it's going to describe a person, a place, thing. So one way I like to remember this is when I'm reading, I think, let's say that my example had flowers in it. So my adjective has what are the flowers? So one example of this is the beautiful flowers. The beautiful flowers. What are the flowers? The flowers are beautiful. So a little more advanced sentence is, I saw the beautiful flowers in the garden. Always in a sentence with a period. I saw the beautiful flowers in the garden. Oh. The sky is very bright and blue today. Our sentence reads, the sky is very bright and blue today. What is the sky? Well, you could have more than one adjective in a single sentence. The sky is bright. The sky is blue. Do you see? The sky is what? The sky is bright and blue. The flowers are what? The flowers are beautiful. Another sentence for this would be, I'm just giving you examples so you understand what I mean. Our person, place, or thing in our first sentence here would be the flowers. Over here it would be the sky. It's what we're talking about. So here it's going to be the clown at the circus was very funny. Who are we talking about? What are we talking about? We are talking about the clown. What was the clown? The clown was funny. That's our adjective used to describe the clown. Another example. This will be the last example. The street, the sun got so hot. When walking down the street, the sun got so hot. What are we talking about? We're talking about the sun. What was the sun? Hot. So, notice how I highlighted our adjectives that we were doing in our example. So I have a passage that I'm going to read with you, and when we go along, we're going to highlight the adjectives. So, the circus is in town. Nothing there. I am excited to go. What am I? I am excited. Wonderful. There are clowns with funny faces. Well, there are clowns, yes. We're talking about the faces. What are the faces? Faces are funny. They ride little bikes. The bikes are little and make us laugh. The clowns have hair in all different colors. What is the hair? Different. Colors are different. There are elephants to ride. They have saddles for me to sit in. They have crowns with feathers on their heads. The tiger will show his teeth. He has very sharp teeth. What are the teeth? The teeth are sharp. Someone will try to get him to jump through a hoop. I like the monkeys. They are funny. What are they? Bunny. The monkeys play games. They wrestle with each other. They jump into the crowds of people. Maybe a monkey will sit on my lap. The best part of the show is the acrobats. They are the people who swing way up high. They do flips and turns. They fly through the air. I would like to fly through the air like the acrobats. The circus is in town. I am excited to go. What am I? Excited. So remember, adjectives are used to describe words. You don't have to have an adjective in every sentence, but clearly we could see here some of our sentences have adjectives. So there's some work for you to follow highlighting adjectives as well.